Hi, Diana. Thank you so much for joining me today and having this opportunity to chat.
I am delighted to be here today because I have been working with DigitalOwl for a very long time, and it's one of my favorite companies that I work with, so I'm just looking forward to talking to you.
I'd love to start with just a quick introduction to yourself and your role at Total Financial.
I am the president of Total Financial and a Simplicity partner. I work in the independent brokerage space. For me, there has been probably more change than most other people. It really all started with COVID, because when COVID happened, everybody immediately had to jump into technology, and the life insurance carriers were really behind in that whole sector. So I quickly started finding new partners and technology tools that I could use that would make underwriting easier and allow the customers to have a better experience, because the customers were not having a great experience. It was too lengthy, it was too long, and we needed to find a lot of ways to do things quicker, faster, that were good for both the insurance companies and the consumers.
That's perfect, because I think another thing that we would love a little insight into is kind of what your focus is for continuing to streamline and improve your underwriting and that kind of efficiency there and getting back to clients faster.
So we have always been known for really being a basic concierge underwriting shop. I never wanted to take away the underwriter's ability to be able to look and review records, yet at the same time, you really did not want to waste all of our time spending hours looking through medical records. And the minute I was introduced to DigitalOwl, I found out, wow, this is the most interactive tool I have seen come to market, because I got to choose where I needed to go and what was important to me. And working with DigitalOwl as I have from the beginning, when you guys started and you came to me, we were able to customize the experience and be able to, tweak it so that it worked for what my needs were as an independent agency.
As a customer of DigitalOwl, how did you approach kind of rolling this out to your underwriters who have been using, the same process for a long time? How did you start to introduce this to them?
That is a great question. When I went to the insurance companies and I brought it to their attention, there was, a little pushback from them, because it was something new and it took, educating their underwriters, and it was a new way of doing business. But everybody got it. And once they all got it, it became so much easier to just immediately find that information.
Yep. And I think that's a big focus for us as well, as we know that this is an industry that hasn't had this dramatic of a change in a long time. That's why we really try to be there to support every step of the way. We do these on-site visits and go see how people are working today and how we can adjust our product or configure their summary specifically catered to them to make sure that they're getting everything they need out of it and that they see that value and want to make this change with us.
Yeah, and I think one of the things that you just said that's really important is the customization of this whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we've spent a lot of time working with you on the customization. And, this has been a group effort of saying, let's really look at the information that we need. I need to be able to get to the information that I want to get to quickly. I don't want to click 10 things in order to get to where I want to be.
Yeah.
I want to get right to that source immediately, because I know that's the issue.
Mm-hmm.
So this has just been, a wonderful experience, being able to help design this with you and make it very user-friendly.
Yeah, absolutely. And the feedback is key for us, because that's how we continue to evolve and, have everything just be direct pointers to that information. And I think that's the adjustment. It's once people realize that the formatting is now consistent and you know exactly where to find the pinpointed information that you need, that is when the light bulb moment kind of happens, and everyone is very willing then, I think, to start to make that change.
Yeah, it's been an absolute game changer, and it's to the point where I actually want to be able to show and tell my agents. That's what differentiates me, because I want to get up and show them and say, this is what you get when you come to Total Financial and we do our underwriting. This is what happens when we review an APS. This is what we get, because they cannot believe what we've done with this, and they wish they would be able to do that.
Yeah.
And it also helps us to give them the information much more detailed when we're actually getting these summaries, to say, this is what we're finding in the records, because it's just right there.
Yeah, it is definitely being more and more embraced. So we're very happy that you are someone that has helped us kind of build this and really make it what it is today.
Well, thank you, because I'm really happy partnering with you, and I can't wait to see what you're going to be doing in the future, because I know that there's going to be a lot of other things coming down the line.
Thank you so much, Diana, for taking the time to meet and chat with us today and to get the chance to learn from you.
Well, no, thank you. Actually, it's my pleasure. I love helping and being a voice for DigitalOwl. I love partnering with you guys, and the chance to sit down and talk to you and share the story with everyone else is just a great honor for me.
Oh.
And I'm really looking forward to spending more time and talking to more people at the meeting.
Well, thank you. We appreciate that you're always such an advocate for us.
Thanks.